What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Back again for another random video. Here's the unboxing of my son's monster truck, the RC 4x4. Woo! This is what I got for Christmas.
Open it.
Okay.
Okay, let's open it.
Sorry for the echo. We just moved into our new house and we haven't really hung anything up.
A baby's monster truck.
Perfect Christmas gift. Hey, new house.
Yeah.
And a new truck. Big like daddy's. I gotta go get my monster truck and then we can race. Okay. This is your Christmas gift.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, built-in charger. You can charge the batteries. Okay, hold on. Take this apart and see how it drives. And then we get my truck and we're gonna race.
Yeah. Let's do it. This is so fun.
Yeah.
Where's the working controller?
You put the batteries in. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, they actually give you Duracell. You know, I always thought kids' toys were like the hardest thing to steal in life, man. When they package these things, they really sell it to you.
Yeah.
They must got a guy just to do the wrapping, the boxing. Whew. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Whoops. Okay.
Woo! Wow, you opened the big food monster truck ever.
Okay, hold on, I gotta plug it in. It came with Duracell batteries. Whoa. I forgot.
This is the working the monster truck baking place. Woo!
Jeez.
We're opening the big food battery.
Spend 10 hours hooking this thing up. Cool, there's a nice little lip so it just stops it. You don't have to put any cover on it. Comes with the charger. I think this is from Costco.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me show everybody. Whoa. Back up.
This is the moving the monster truck.
Let me turn some lights on. There you
Okay.
go. Go forward. Not my pictures. Oh, no, other way.
Okay.
The Joker's gonna get you.
No.
Is it 4x4?
Monster truck.
Is it a true 4x4? Press it. Oh, press it. Oh, it is. No, other way. No. 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 Go the other way. Not daddy's stuff. Hit your farmhouse. Hit your farmhouse.
Huh?
Hit your farmhouse. Crash. Cars crash into this. Crash into your farmhouse. Other way, Alex. Up. 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 No. Up. That way. Go. Woohoo!
Boom. 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 Boom.
You know what? I'm gonna venture off over here real quick, make this video short and sweet. I'm gonna scare the crap out of him with the green monster truck.
The green!
Better run. Better hide. Because the green monster truck is here to play. Let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. Sorry about that, YouTube.
I'm gonna beat you! I'm gonna beat you!
Oh ho, this thing's quick. I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. Whoa-ho! It's gonna beat him up. You coming to fight?
Yeah, I just gotta be ready to fight. Watch me fight, Sky.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's a climber. Climbs right over you. Oh! Climb right over you. What do you think about that? Oh! Ho, ho. Flip me over. Thank you.
Go!
Okay, put me down.
And let's get this monster to famous that one.
Watch the tripod. Okay, screw this. I'm putting this down.
Whoa, what is really fast?
Okay, leave it there.
Okay.
We're gonna go with the box.
Oh, I missed. I got him. Woo!
What the box is. Whoa! Cars crash on the boxes. Hit the boxes.
We need to do that.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh! These big tires. I'm having more fun than my kid is. Look at that, river. Eating it up. Cars crash every day in this house. Over there in the wall. Oh, there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random videos as I do upload often. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.